recently laid the foundation stone for the nation's first gold refinery in partnership with local company Morena Gold. The refinery boasts an annual refining capacity of 150 tons. The inaugural 22-carat gold bars are expected to leave the facility in just 11 months. This significant project is set to generate a minimum of 100 direct jobs and 5,000 indirect jobs. During the launch ceremony in the capital Ouagadougou, President Ibrahim Traoré emphasized the importance of refining gold on site, stating, "There's no longer any question of us taking our gold abroad for refining. We'll refine it on site because we know the real content of the raw gold that comes out. That's very important." Gold stands as Burkina Faso's primary export product, with the country producing 57.6 tons in 2022, marking a 14% year-on-year decrease. For decades, Western countries have exploited Burkina Faso's gold resources. Currently, the country hosts 10 foreign-owned mines. Canadian companies account for 63.33% of these mines, Russian mines for 18.18%, and Burkinabe for only 9%. The trend toward local processing is gaining momentum in several African mining countries that traditionally exported raw production. In the gold sector, many African producers have historically processed their gold in refineries located in Switzerland or China, incurring significant financial losses.